In Python, a dictionary is a built-in data type that stores a collection of key-value pairs. Dictionaries are mutable, meaning they can be modified after creation. They are unordered, meaning the order of items is not guaranteed. Dictionaries are widely used in Python for various purposes due to their flexibility and efficiency in accessing, inserting, and deleting elements. Here's a basic overview of dictionaries in Python. Creating a dictionary. Dictionaries are created using curly braces and specifying key-value pairs separated by colons. Accessing values. You can access the value associated with the key by using square brackets, and providing the key. Modifying values. You can change the value associated with a particular key. Adding new items. You can add new key-value pairs to the dictionary. Removing items. You can remove a key-value pair from the dictionary using the del keyword. Dictionary methods. Python dictionaries provide several methods to manipulate and access their elements, such as keys, values, items, get, pop, pop item, clear, update, etc. These methods allow you to perform various operations on dictionaries efficiently. Iterating over a dictionary. You can iterate over the keys, values, or key-value pairs of a dictionary using loops or comprehension. Dictionaries are incredibly versatile and are used in many Python programs for tasks such as storing configurations, representing JSON-like structures, counting occurrences of items, and more. They are a fundamental part of the language's data structures and provide efficient means for organizing and accessing data. Dictionaries provide fast lookup because they use a hash table implementation. However, the items in a dictionary are not stored in any particular order, so the order of items may vary when iterating over the dictionary. Key characteristics. Key-value pairs. Each item in a dictionary consists of a unique key and its corresponding value. Keys must be immutable data types like strings, numbers, or tuples. Specific conditions apply. Values can be of any data type, including other dictionaries. Ordered. Since Python 3.7, the order of key-value pairs is preserved when iterating through the dictionary or using methods like keys, values, and items. Mutable. You can add, remove, and modify key-value pairs after creating the dictionary. Common use cases. Storing user profiles with name, age, and other attributes. Representing feebooks with names and numbers. Implementing configurations with key-value settings. Building lookup tables for efficient data retrieval.